no? For tonight's Zoom meeting, we're gonna talk about men's health reset. Yes, you heard me right, no? May, special edition po ito kasi Father's Day na po this coming Sunday. Nako, may regalo na ba kayo? Kung wala pa, stick at the end. Baka may makita po kayong mas magandang iregalo po para sa inyong daddy. Okay? No, or mas maganda sa inyong mga asawa. Yan. So, right now po, no, so we're gonna talk about how we can actually help, no, tayong mga daddies, mga guys, no, how we can actually what's the right term? Prolong our peak, yung ating prime. Siyempre, gusto natin lagi tayong malakas. 'Di ba? Kasi nga pag kailangan tayo sa bahay, kailangan lagi tayong ready anytime. No, all right? So are you guys ready? So let's go.
Ready.
And so, ladies and gentlemen, no, as we talk about men's health, it's something that we don't really usually talk about, no, because we just expect na tayong mga lalaki malakas na tayo agad. Tama? Tama ba, Sir Chris? Di ba, lalaki ka, tibayan mo loob mo. But here's the problem, no? Men, we are not Superman. And we also need to keep ourselves healthy. And that's why this tonight po, no, I'm just gonna give you some tips later on. And then also give you reasons kung bakit po ba tayo nagkakasakit. All right? So as we talk about men's health, let me just give you the silent crisis in men's health today. Did you know that men are more likely to skip doctors' visits and ignore symptoms? No? So basically, pag may masakit, okay lang yan. Mas malaki po yung tsansa na hindi po kayo pumunta sa doktor. No? Even if puputok na yung ano mo, yung ang tawag dito, yung tawag dito sa may colon natin, 'di ba? Parang ano po tawag? Ang tawag doon, Ma'am Hana?
Appendix.
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 No, tinitiis pa din, no? So, here's the problem, no, with a lot of men, no? They tend to neglect themselves because they've been taking care of others, correct? And for the guys, aminin na natin, no, guys, no, wala nga amin diyan, syempre laging malakas. 1 in 3 men have problem down there. No, 1 in 3 men over the age of 40 have already problems there. And also, men die 5 years earlier than women. So men tend to have shorter lives compared to women. All right. But can you imagine, guys? Can you imagine a life without our fathers? Can you imagine life without the men in your life? Di ba ang hirap? And it's so
Hirap.
important na kailangan alagaan po natin sila. All right? And especially you. I'm talking to you. As a father, as a fellow man, no, you need to take care of yourself. All right? So, there was this nagulat po ako dito sa survey na to. There was a survey done by a famous men's health magazine. And ang ginagawa po nila, binibilang po nila yung unang kiniklik ng mga lalaki na concern nila. Tingnan niyo po yung may number 1. So yung number 1 po sa survey na
Hindi.
concern ang mga lalaki. Oh guys, look at this ha. Number 1 is erectile dysfunction. Number 1 yun, tapos number 4 yung health ng kanilang heart. Tingnan mo, nung nag-research ako nito, nakatawan-tawa po talaga ako nun. But to tell you honestly, the erectile dysfunction is also related to your heart. And that is also related to your hair loss, and it is also related to low energy. Now, alam naman natin that that affects your confidence, no, your relationship, and it is also early signs of deeper issues. Now, although pwede ka naman magsuot ng tupi, no, ang tawag doon ng wig, no, but a lot of men suffer from their poor self-image because of this imbalance of hormone or nutritional imbalances. Some of them because of the lack of nutrition. Kasi syempre, nagtitipid, no? Nagtitipid, titipirin nila yung sarili. So what they do, they just um, eat yung mga processed food and all that, and that's causing them also to have hair loss. Not to mention the kind of stress men face, no? The kind of stress that men face. Kasi tayo mga lalaki, hindi natin pwedeng pakita ng mahina tayo, right? Laging strong eh. And that the challenge there is the stress builds up and sometimes you get hair loss, no? Not to mention the low energy and the burnout feeling. May mga nakaka-relate ba mga lalaki dito? Ako lang ba? No, do you sometimes feel burnout? Do you sometimes feel like kulang ka sa sleep and you're experiencing chronic stress? And number four, the number one killer of men, often without early symptoms, is yung mga heart attack. So guys, can you relate with this? Like many Filipino men and even outside the country, ito po ay hinaharap po ng maraming mga kalalakihan ngayon. Now, ano ba yung mga ways para ma-improve po natin yung ating health? First is, we need to eat like your life depends on it. Because it does. Your life truly depends on what you eat. Agree ba tayo doon? High five po ba kayo doon? So we really need to have more whole food, more plants, and more plant protein in our diet. Guys, we need to avoid the sugar. We need to avoid the alcohol and the processed meat. Aray, di ba? Kasi yung pa naman yung masarap, yung pa naman yung pinakamadali. And also, we need to protect our gut and our heart health, and we need to start with our plate. Now, may nagturo po sa akin nito. Sabi niya sa akin, Lem, pagkakain ka, kita niyo ba yung kamay ko? Teka, kung nakikita niyo yung kamay ko, no? Pagkakain ka, you do your fist. Yan, itong fist mo. This is your fruit. Your fruit. Dapat ganito karaking fruit kasi laki ng fist mo yung fruit na kakainin mo, guys. Okay. Ano bang prutas to? An apple maybe. An apple. Okay? An orange. Tapos when you open your palm, ganito karaming vegetables. Ganito karaming vegetables. Isang buong plato ng vegetables. Ganon daw kadami, guys. Next is, no? Sarado mo siyang ganyan. Okay? Ito naman yung protein mo. Protein. This is your protein. It may be a fish. Pwedeng steak. Pwedeng chicken. No, chicken breast. O ganyan. Okay? And then this is your carbs. Isang ganyan lang. Ganyan. Kita nyo ba? Kita nyo ba ako? Isang ganyan. Sir, isang price lang yan, sir. Oo, yun nga lang, yun ang sabi niya sa akin. Lem, if you really wanna change your life, you need to follow this. You need to lessen your carbs. Okay, isang ganyan na lang daw po. So sabi niya, ganyan. Sabi niya, ano to? Ano tong hinlalaki ko? Yan lang yung fat. Ha? Ganyan karami rin. Diba? Eh, yung nangyari sa akin, yung fat ko, ganyan eh. Ganyan lang pala. Ulitin natin ha. So again, fruit, veggies, protein, okay? Protein, and then fat. Itong hinlalaki lang. Ganun karami yung kakainin natin. Parang ang hirap sundin nun, Sir Lem. That's why we have also some supplements later that you can try, no, to augment yung inyong diet para matulungan po kayo na mas maging kumpleto po yung inyong kinakain, no? Sabihin na, tanong nyo lang po mamaya sa nag-invite sa inyo, ano ba yung spirulina na sinasabi ni Sir Lem? Maganda yon, i-add nyo po yon sa inyong diet. Next is tip number 2. You need to move every day, no? The aim is for 30 minutes of movement daily. Now, when we move our bodies, it is very related to our hormones. This also boosts our testosterone levels. So guys, if you have problems, no, with your hormones, if you feel like you're already balding and all that, no, moving your body will also help do that. So kailangan talaga nating gumalaw-galaw, sa totoo talaga 'yon, baka ma-stroke, right? So the idea here is to actually start walking. Sir, mas maganda ba yung jogging sa walking? Well, technically oo, sana, no? But in reality, chances of having a heart attack when you run rises at 70%. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Pag ikaw ay tumatakbo ng masyadong mabilis, tas bigla mong binibigla yung sarili mo, guys, wag bibiglayin ng sarili, it may increase the chances of having heart attack. So ano po yung suggestion ng mga experts? Their suggestion is actually to start walking. Walking. Yes. So every day for 30 minutes, lalakad lang po kayo ng mabagal, no? Normal pace. Normal pace lang for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, lakad kayo ng mabilis. Huwag takbo, lakad lang pero mabilis. Kailangan hindi masyado tumaas ang inyong um, beats per second, no? By doing that, you will actually burn more fat. Okay? So by doing that, by moving your muscles, moving your legs specifically, mas tataas po yung chances na ma-burn natin yung ating mga visceral fat kung saan bumabalot sa ating mga vital organs. Okay? Ano yung unang sinabi natin? Number one, you need to eat right because your life depends on it. And number two, you need to move your body at least 30 minutes. Maganda, no? Early in the morning when you wake up, no? Pwede maganda rin 'yon, or maybe even after your meals. That is what's being suggested by experts. Okay? Also, if you will also do that, no, you can also um, include more fluids, no, when you're doing it para mas maging maganda po yung inyong exercise. And then tip number three is to add strategic supplementation. So even with good habits po, age and stress take their toll. No? Supplements, like for example, spirulina, can help fill the gaps and support recovery. The key for performance, hormones, and energy is actually mas madaling ma-achieve when you add supplementation to your regimen. So ano po ba ang pinakamaganda na supplement ngayon, especially for men? Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you this wonderful product which we call Ultima Stem Plus, your cellular ally for men's health. This actually supports blood flow, hormone balance, it activates your stem cells for full body renewal, not just from your hair, your skin, everything, even to your bones. It boosts energy, endurance, and longevity. It will fight for you. Di ba? It will help you fight yung mga free radicals in our body. So, bakit ba kailangan natin ng Ultima Stem Plus? Basically because our cells are starting to age faster. Meron pong siyam na problema ang ating cells. And one of them is our stem cells. Yun nga lang, dun po sa siyam na yon, isa lamang po yung stem cells. Pag na-fix mo yung stem cells, meron ka pang 8 other problems. That thing was actually discussed in this book by David Sinclair. This is Dr. David Sinclair. He is a doctor, graduated from the Harvard Medical School. In his book, he discussed about the beautiful effects of NMN and other plant-based um, ingredients which can actually increase, no, pataasin po yung kalidad po ng ating buhay. And guys, trivia, did you know that Dr. David Sinclair is actually a classmate of Dr. Sheila? Alam niyo po ba yun? And if you don't know that yet, I'm telling you right now. But here's the difference. Because what David Sinclair talks about is all inside our product called Ultima Stem Plus. So all of these ingredients po are well researched. Napakadami po mga research na ginagawa po ngayon in order to increase the effects, no, in helping our cells recover naturally. Now, sa sobrang ganda po nito mga effects po na to, no, it's actually being written, no, doon sa kanyang book. Also, these ingredients are all, kumbaga, nandun na po yan sa Harvard Medical School nila Dr. Sheila, But, meron pong special na dinagdag si Dr. Sheila sa Ultima Stem Plus. And that is what we call Aronia melanocarpa. So if there's one thing, no, na edge ng Ultima Stem Plus, this is the big plus. What we call Aronia melanocarpa or chokeberry, which actually increases the ORAC value in our body. So ang effect po nito basically is tinatanggal niya lahat ng mga cancer-causing elements in our body. This is so good, especially for those who have cancer in their lineage, sa kanilang pamilya. Meron po ba kayong cancer sa inyong relatives? So this is very good as prevention. Now, if you are already battling with cancer, good news, because Aronia melanocarpa has been known to help stop and kill these cancer cells from spreading in your body. All right? So again, more than just stem cell, Ultima Stem Plus is the true cellular renewal. And I want to talk to all the fathers today. Fathers, I want you to remember, no, that you deserve this. Okay? You should take care of yourself, and taking Ultima Stem Plus will help you move forward in that direction of health. All right? So just to show you where this is manufactured, it's all manufactured in our facility in Subic called Nanosci Inc. And this is formulated by Dr. Sheila together with our experts po. These are real doctors, no? Formulating and developing this product. And let me just show you my story. Years ago, when I got COVID, kala ko po mamatay na po ako. I was so afraid because I thought that I would leave my very young family. Sa takot ko po magka-COVID ulit, nagpa-vaccine po ako multiple times. As a side effect, what I experienced was I was having alopecia, accelerated hair loss. I have so many patches of loss ng mga hair in my head. Also, I have problems with my urination, no? Lagi po akong ihi ng ihi sa madaling araw. Masakit po ang aking likod. I'm having all of this pain all over my body. I couldn't perform my husband duties anymore. Ang dami. But guess what? When I started taking Ultima, it was so amazing that even my wife said, "Uy, parang lumilit yung mukha mo ah. Mag-weigh-in ka nga." Pag-check ko po ng aking weight, it was still the same. So what I found out is it actually removes the inflammation from our bodies. Besides from that, remember the alopecia that I was talking about? Wala na rin po siya ngayon. Alright? And also, one of my biggest problems after having my problem with COVID was the extended and extreme effects of gout in my body. To the point wherein 3 months po ako na hindi po makalakad, nakahiga lang po ako sa bed. Alright? Ganito po ako maglakad after po nun. If you can see in this video, I was really having a hard time, no? In walking. Even si Sebi, uh, alam mo yun, awang-awa sa akin si Sebi. That's my son right there. Di ba? And if you will also see, no, um, nakasmile po ako ng konti dyan kasi, alam mo yun, masaya po ako kasi kahit pa parang nakalakad po ako. But most of the time po, no, talaga hindi na po ako makalakad. Okay. Wait lang ha. Ayan. Guys, are you still there? Parang medyo choppy yata ako. Ayan. But after taking Ultima Stem Plus for 5 days, seriously, 5 days po, ito po ang resulta sa akin. Sorry, my internet connection is not doing well, but you get my drift, no? Ang laki po ng effect nito that I could actually put weight on my body, put on my son, on my shoulders na po. Okay? So, yeah. So, I think you saw that video so many times already. So, let me just move on. So, again, to all the fathers, happy Father's Day. No? Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. You've taken care of everybody else. Now it's time to take care of yourself. Tama po ba? So let's eat clean, move daily,
Yes.
take Ultima STEM Plus for the next 90 days. So when you take this po, take this on an empty stomach. All right? Preferably po, no? Once, twice, or even 3 times a day for better results. All right, guys? So that's all for me. No? Alam ko, mabilis lang po tayo dito tonight, no? Because I know you guys, um, uh, I don't, you guys are all busy, no? But again, if you're thinking to give a gift for your dad, no, for your husband this coming Father's Day, this is a very, very good gift. Okay? So, kaysa unahan po tayo ng sakit. So, again, sa mga tatay, kung wala ka man sakit right now, good. Pero, can you say na you are really 100% really healthy, firing at all cylinders? Okay? So, I challenge you, take Ultima Stem Plus daily. Huwag mo nang hintayin magkasakit. Huwag mo nang hintayin na dumating yung mga problema na yan bago ka mag-start uminom nito. Ayan. Sabi ni Ma'am Chami, masaya na si Sir sa husband ko sa Bloom Gluta. Yan naman talaga eh, no? Okay din yung Bloom, but again, Ultima Stem Plus, I tell you, you will love it. Baka ma-addict siya sa USB. All right. So I'll turn you over again to our beautiful host, Ma'am Hannah. Maybe you have some questions po. May mga questions pa ho tayo.
Yes, good evening, everyone. From the bottom of our heart. And gaano ka man kalayo ngayon, all the way from Tugigaraw. Happy
Yes,
Father's
yes.
Day. And thank you for joining us para maging speaker namin ngayong gabi. At sa lahat po ng ating viewers or attendees ngayon sa Zoom, maligayang Independence Day.
Oh,
And
yes.
at the same time, Happy Father's Day po sa ating mga butihing tatay. So, high five po sa lahat ng mga daddies out there. Ayan, sabi nga ni Coach Paul, kasi kayo ang tatay, kayo ang haligi ng tahanan. So lahat po kami nakadepend sa inyo as your as a mother and your as a wife to your husband, 'di ba? Mga tatay or mga
Yes.
anak. So let's honor our father and share natin yung natutunan natin ngayong gabi. Sabi nga ni Coach Lem, to become para maging manatiling healthy. So yung mga lifestyle na yan, kailangan natin i-adapt. At the same time, exercise every day, kahit nga 30 minutes walk nga daw, di ba? Talagang makakatulong yan every day. At the same time, take a proper supplementation para mas lalong mapanatili na healthy ang ating body. Kasi kami na umaasa sa inyo, kayo ang haligi ng aming tahanan, ng
Yes.
pamilya. So, dapat talaga, kayo ang aming, sa inyo talaga kami nakadepende. May mga strong women coach, di ba? May mga working mom as well. pero iba yung strength, na alam mo yung meron kang somebody na nasasandigan, na alam mo yung siya yung strength mo din, di ba? So, parang minsan sasabihin talaga natin, oo, strong ako, pero sa tatay pa rin o sa asawa mo pa rin or sa husband mo, ikaw pa rin nagdedepende, di ba? So, kasi we will high five po tayo sa fathers na. Don't forget to greet your
Yan, high five
tatay,
po.
your lolo, your brother, lahat po ng mga strong father dyan. Yan.
May nag may
Ah,
nagtanong.
Yeah, Coach lang, may tanong lang from Sir Crisostomo. Ang question niya kung ano daw mabuting product para sa prostate. And from Cyrus, prostate daw for his dad. Is USP okay for prostate?
Para po sa prostate, no, napakaganda po ng Ultima Stem Plus because this will actually solve po yung inyong inflammation there. Actually, we have one case wherein he's actually 81 years old. And this dad, sorry hinahanap namin yung susi ng coach. Teka na muna, another powerful dad is here. Kami. Say hi, say hi. Hello.
Ako, Nico, mukhang maglalakad kayo.
Hindi tayo makita yung sasakyan.
Jay, sa Daddy Jay.
Give me a few more minutes, no? But again, yung if I remember correctly, no, nung lumapit sa akin yung aking friend, and he told me yung father niya, namamaga po yung kanyang prostate. Kakayuri na po kasi kakayuri na yung prostate niya. So they were so fearful kasi he's very old na. So what they did, they started taking Ultima together with spirulina. Yun po yung ginamit po nila. So 3 times a day na Ultima followed by spirulina. So pwede po.
True, coach. Tama po. Kasi lahat na kay Ultima. So, ina-address yan, cellular level. At the same time, repair ng each organ. So, yun lang, 9 hallmarks ang kanya kasama na dyan yung cell repair, pag mga organs natin. Napakaganda. Meron pa siyang ibang address the inflammation. So, kay Ultima talaga na yung mga ina-address natin, sakop na actually lahat. Para sa akin talaga, very powerful para i-address yung mga existing conditions kasi internal na po talaga ang problem. So, it works internal kasi it repairs damaged cells, cancer cells po, at mga tayo niya pong tunawin. Ayan, kasi we have testimonials from Batangas, meron siyang bukol sa breast, and then taking Ultima Stem Plus, nawala yun. Wow, yes, okay kay Mother Ruth by Shanang Templas. Tama yan. It's pure plant-based. So, kung may tinitake kayong ibang medications, there's no contraindications kasi all our supplements are plant-based and all natural. So, wala tong contraindications sa mga tinitake nilang medicine. Guys, let's all take photos para po sa ating Independence Day and advance Happy Father's Day again to everyone. Let's take
Hi,
pictures po. Come to you.
High five, everybody.
High
Thank
five
you very
tayo.
much.
High five. Ayan, 1, 2, 3. High five. Okay, ayan. So, in behalf of the management, I'm Hannah. Thank you, Coach Lem, all the way from Tugigaraw. Thank you for joining us tonight. Happy Father's Day to you and to
Thank you.
all daddies out there. Thank you so much. Be strong, keep safe, kasi kayo ang haligi ng aming tahanan. At maraming salamat sa inyong pag-join ngayong gabi to continue to share this wellness and opportunities at the same time po yung products ni Nanusay. So thank you once again. And Coach Lam, ingat po kayo dyan. Okay, back home. And good night and God bless everyone. Father's Day. Mr. Jeff. Kyrie. Yeah.